Best foods for your brain and memory. Did you know your diet can significantly influence your brain health? Think of food as fuel for your most important organ. From memory retention to mental clarity, simple dietary choices can make a profound difference. Let's explore the best brain-boosting foods backed by science. Fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for building brain and nerve cells. These healthy fats help improve learning and memory. If seafood isn't your thing, consider plant-based sources like walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants. These compounds protect your brain from oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and memory decline. Snack on colorful berries for a quick, memory-enhancing energy boost. Spinach, kale, and broccoli are high in vitamins like E and K, as well as folate. These nutrients reduce cognitive decline and improve brain functions. Adding a handful of greens to your meals each day can go a long way in keeping your mind sharp.
Almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts are terrific sources of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that supports memory and slows mental decline.
Sprinkle seeds on your dishes or grab a handful of nuts for a healthy and brain-friendly snack. Your brain thrives on energy, and whole grains, like oatmeal, brown rice, and quinoa, release it slowly throughout the day. This provides consistent nourishment, helping you stay focused and alert. Replace refined carbs with whole grains for lasting brain benefits. Good news, dark chocolate is great for your brain. Rich in flavonoids, it boosts memory, mood, and focus. Just remember, moderation is key. A small piece of dark chocolate, 70% or higher cacao, can provide a guilt-free brain boost. Your diet plays a vital role in your cognitive health, no matter your age. Start incorporating these brain-boosting foods into your meals today. Share this video with a friend who could use a push toward healthy eating, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best, healthiest life. Thanks for watching.